Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another easy-to-follow tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Tether from Exmo to Metamask in 2025. If you're holding Tether on Exmo and want to move it to your Metamask wallet for more flexibility, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to stay safe in the crypto world. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Exmo account set up and verified. Log in to your Exmo dashboard. It's the hub for all your crypto activities. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including Tether, USDT. Click on USDT to access its options. Next, select the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose the network for the withdrawal. For Metamask, which is an Ethereum-based wallet, go with the ERC20 network. This is crucial because using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Now, enter your Metamask wallet address. To get this, open your Metamask app or extension, switch to the Ethereum mainnet, and copy the address from the top of your wallet interface. Paste it carefully into the Exmo withdrawal form. Before confirming, take a moment to review the details. Check the amount you're withdrawing, any applicable fees. Exmo might charge a small transaction fee, and ensure the address is correct. One typo could send your Tether into the void, so verify twice. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After initiating the withdrawal, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Tether to appear in your Metamask wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Metamask account, refresh it periodically. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Tether from Exmo to Metamask. Remember, crypto is exciting but volatile, so always prioritize security. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.